Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, this means that you're interested in starting your own broker firm, and I have to say that you're on the right place, because in this video you're going to see the most detailed and transparent breakdown, all the expenses, all the technology that's needed for you to start a successful brokerage. And also we will discuss another thing. Is there a better solution than investing in all of that technology? And I'm just gonna say, spoiler alert, yes there is, and we will talk about it later on in the video, and you will be the judge of that, which option is better for you. So before we begin with the basic or fundamental things that a brokerage needs to have in order to be successful, I'm just gonna briefly say that this video is probably meant for people that already have experience in Forex business through affiliate, or maybe they worked for a broker, or maybe they just have trading community and they want to try to utilize their community and try to make some extra money. I wanted to say that every single thing that I say in this video is going to be rough estimate, but however it's going to be relatively precise. So first and foremost, every broker needs a license and a regulation. This can be a very expensive and very costly part of your business, depending on where do you want to have your license. The bigger, and I have to say the more expensive the license is and regulation, that means that your clients are covered more by a certain government or a regulationary body. So in order to have your clients convinced that you're the perfect choice for them, they need to be sure that their funds are safe in case, for example, of Forex Broker bankruptcy or similar. Number 2 on the list is trading platform, of course. Choice of trading platform is crucial for a lot of traders, because the trading platform needs to be stable. The thing about trading platforms, there are many competitors in the market. Some are more popular, some are less popular, and of course they offer broad choice of tools and everything that a certain trader needs. However, the things that you probably never experienced before is the back end of those platforms, which is equally important for you to run a business in order to make a smooth experience for your clients or the future traders that you want to attract. Number 3 on the list is CRM, or customer relationship service. So this is essential tool for any brokerage business, because this is the place where your clients are going to log in, where they're going to check their accounts, where they're going to place trades. So choosing proper CRM is also very important for your own stability, for the stability of the clients. You don't want to choose CRMs which can have downtime or maybe some outages. So when you're choosing CRM, it's very important that you back check to see if maybe some other broker is using it. If they are, you should check how it works. Are you satisfied with the looks, with the tools, and so on and so forth. Number 4 on the list is actually PSPs, or payment processors. Now, many people kind of underestimate this part of the business, but this is very important for Forex brokers, because everybody considers Forex brokers as very risky and high-risk business. So many PSPs will decline your application, and therefore you will spend months and months searching and stacking a lot of PSPs. With some you can maybe begin, but then again they can probably choose to let you go at any moment they want. So having multiple PSPs is extremely important for every brokerage that is starting, because this is going to secure smooth transition funds to your brokerage and out. So you need to have reliable PSPs which are ready to accept Forex brokers. Number 5 on the list is liquidity provider. So this is very important aspect, because liquidity provider serves 2 purposes. One is to have your data feed. That means that your liquidity provider is going to deliver your prices of all the assets. And the other thing is, when you're sending your orders to the market, you want to have a liquidity provider which actually has liquidity. So there are many choices. Pricing varies a lot. We will see all about that later on in the video, when I will break down all the pricing of every single point that I'm going to say now. Number 6 on the list is back office and general account management. You can call that even customer support, and all the people that work in risk department, which is essential for your broker to function right and for you to manage cash flow. So you will need specialized people in risk management that can manage order flow and to see how much money is coming in, how much money is coming out. Are you going to send the orders of some traders to the real market? Are you going to B-book someone or A-book someone? It's very important to have people that have a lot of experience in this and that they are very patient and very knowledgeable when it comes to broker business. So the next thing is client portal. It's very important to have a secure website and client portal because it's essential that all your clients and traders that log in, that their data is safe, that you have your technical abilities up to the task when it comes to cybersecurity and so on. So you want people who are trading with you and log into your client's portal to have smooth experience. By no means they don't want to experience crashing. This is why this takes quite a lot of time to set up, and it's very costly. Because cybersecurity is one of the most important things nowadays. We are, after all, in 2025 and technologies are advancing rapidly. So we need also to find appropriate protection for all of our clients that are using client portal. So when it comes to technical infrastructure, this kind of goes hand in hand with the security, because your broker could easily be a victim of DDoS attacks. You need to have secure links on your website. You can't really have anyone get access to your back office. It's extremely important that you keep your website and your entire broker infrastructure safe, because after all, then you might be a victim of a hacking attack, or maybe your funds could be stolen, especially if you're working with crypto wallets or similar things. It could be very dreadful for you to be in that kind of situation, because this is the thing that's extremely important for safety. This is why this is also significant cost for setting up, and this is why you need to choose wisely who are you going to hire, how many people you need, what their expertise needs to be, and so on. So speaking of expertise, number 9 on the list is actually personnel and their expertise. It's very important that you have people who can actually do actively customer support, that can do finance, withdrawals, deposits. All of that needs to be handled, because you will have many sources of money coming in and you will have a lot of requests for the money coming out. You need to manage salaries of people. You also need to provide proper customer support. What if someone can't open a trade or can't close? What if they have questions regarding assets, your leverage, and so on and so forth. So this is very important, that you have a proper team that's well trained and well prepared for this sort of business. And of course, last but not least, marketing and client acquisition is probably one of the most important aspects of the brokerage business, because this is how you get your income. So in order for you to successfully attract them, you need to be very crafty and very creative in creating ads, making very solid choices when it comes to your offer. Is it through tight spreads? Is it through leverage or something else, or maybe your offer of assets that nobody else has? So this is also one of the things that many people don't think too much about, and they think that the clients are going to come on their own, but the reality is there is so much competition out there that you really need to stand out with creativity, with good conditions, and overall smooth trading experience. Okay, now since you have seen all the fundamentals, it's finally time to actually see the pricing, as I promised in the beginning of this video, and after that we will talk about alternatives. So let's go to the pricing. Okay, now we can see all the 10 points that we had previously in the video, and I will break down the pricing approximately, how much it costs when it comes to setup fee, that's in the column one-time fee, and how much it costs you monthly. As you can see, these numbers are quite high. We can start with license. License, as I said, can vary quite a lot. I took basically the cheapest example, how much you need to pay in order to start your brokerage. License can go up to $1.5 million depending on the jurisdiction where you want to have it, but I just try to take all the prices that are very low or relatively the lowest for each point. The next one is the platform, trading platform. Of course, I put here $8,000, which I think is pretty average number. For CRM, $15,000 is average cost that you need to pay in order to set everything up. PSPs, there are extra costs because some PSPs are asking for funds in advance. By funds, I mean just the setup fee, and after that, monthly subscription in order to stay connected. Otherwise, you need to make a certain volumes in order to fill their targets. A liquidity provider, one very important task. This is also without the margin account that you would need to deposit. So this is only one-time fee, $5,000 for setting a liquidity provider up together with the bridge. Risk team, obviously, no setup fee because it's a people kind of task. Client portal, to build everything up, you need at least $15,000 to make everything smooth and to get it done by professionals. Tech infrastructure, this is also related to liquidity provider and all the connections and setting up your broker, $5,000. So when we summarize all of that, you can see that the sum for just setup fees is almost $70,000. But the costs do not end here. You can see after that monthly costs, and I'm not going to read all of them, but you can see platform, CRM costs. Those are all recurring monthly fees that you need to pay every single month, whether you make profits or not. So you can see that these numbers are significant and that you as a potential broker, you really need to invest a lot of money into this business and to have funds prepared for at least a year, considering all the competition. You will see later on why this isn't the only way and that there is a better option. So stick until the end of the video and you'll find out, and hopefully I'll meet you soon. Now that you have seen pricing, I understand that it can be very demotivating when you come to realization that a venture like this can cost so much money. But you're in luck because our solution is going to cut the costs to the ground and make your opportunities almost unlimited, and basically you will be able to earn same amount of money as you would have with the brokerage. With our services, you will not have any need to hire extra people, have customer support, or even have compliance officers, because all of that is handled by us. Your only task is going to be that you bring clients into the broker, and this way you will be able to build your own brand with your own people. So nobody will actually know that you have this entire infrastructure behind you. Once you partner with us, you will have access to all the tools that brokers have. So you will have no lack of knowledge, no lack of information, or anything related to your clients. You will see everything transparently and only for the fraction of the cost of running your own standard brokerage business, like I explained in the beginning of this video. If you're interested in services like this, please book a call with us. We would like to meet you and discuss your ambitions.